Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the Toyota Land Cruiser ROX, a convertible pickup truck concept unveiled at the 2024 SEMA Show. Toyota describes it as a rugged, adventure-ready vehicle inspired by the new Land Cruiser. It's important to note that, being a concept, there's no guarantee of mass production yet. However, the Japanese automaker has hinted that it may manufacture it if there's enough public interest. The standout feature of the ROX is its transformation into a convertible pickup. Its sliding roof and open rear section, which functions as a truck bed, set it apart from the traditional Land Cruiser. To ensure structural rigidity, Toyota reinforced the body, especially the A-pillars, which feature a design inspired by trestle bridges. The concept also catches the eye with its 4-inch lifted suspension and 8-inch wider track, accommodating large off-road tires and forged aluminum control arms on both the front and rear. Visually, the ROX exudes toughness. The fenders are sturdy, the custom steel bumpers feature red tow hooks, there are robust impact guards, and a winch is included. The skeleton-style doors with open lower sections are positioned above side protection rails. Completing its adventurous look, the ROX boasts a custom triple roof rack, 7 auxiliary roof lights, a functional midgate for carrying long items, and integrated seats on the tailgate. The vibrant green paint, inherited from classic Land Cruisers, adds a nostalgic touch. The ROX's interior is also noteworthy. 3D printed components, such as the door sills, enhance its open interior weather resistance. Orange leather accents add a pop of color to the cabin. Meanwhile, the door panels feature integrated safety kits and straps for storing sunglasses and other items. Sources didn't mention details about technology, connectivity, safety, performance, drivability, or technical specifications of the ROX. If Toyota decides to produce the Land Cruiser ROX, it would enter the market as a lifestyle-oriented pickup truck targeting adventure-seeking audiences. Occupying a unique niche, the ROX would compete with unibody pickups like the Honda Ridgeline and Hyundai Santa Cruz, but it would stand out with its more robust body-on-frame construction. Its convertible design would also position it as a rival to convertible versions of the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler. The Toyota Land Cruiser ROX is a concept that sparks curiosity and showcases the potential of a lifestyle-oriented Land Cruiser pickup truck. With its rugged design and outdoor-friendly features, it's sure to attract those looking for adventure and functionality. It remains to be seen if public reception at the 2024 SEMA Show will be enough to convince Toyota to turn this concept into reality. Stay tuned to Caro Channel for more updates from the automotive world. See you next time.